Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val. This is how you do it. I took 2 oranges and put them in the blender and made and with some water and made me some orange juice. And this is the pulp that was left over. There's a lot of fiber and goodness in the pulp of an orange. And so what I'm doing is I'm covering my chicken with all of that orange pulp. And plus I'm gonna put seasoning all over it too. And then I'm gonna leave it in this pot, cut it on low, and let it cook for about 1 or 2 hours. So I'm getting down in the liquid there, which is what I want. Just trying to get a little bit all over it. Now for some garlic. And the rest of all the beautiful seasoning that I'm going to put on there. And actually going into the water also. Tamarind. Let me push this back over. Cumin. Now you can season your bird whatever seasoning that you like. If it ain't nothing but salt and pepper. But my thing is give your meat some well good deserved seasoning, and plus season it with the seasoning that your diet allows. But you can have. This is paprika. It's parsley. And don't forget the chicken broth that will be coming off of this chicken itself. Shaking this up to make sure some of this come out. All-purpose seasoning. A little brown sugar. So I have to take it out on this side. Brown sugar gets hard sometimes. That's brown sugar. Then they hit the water also. And that'll do it. And I see you. Oh, yeah, the onion. Got the onion sitting over here, waiting patiently. Saying, where am I, Val? Where am I? You know you love onions. You know you love it in everything you cook. Don't forget me, your favorite friend. And I said, oh, yeah, you right. You right. You know you got to get in here some kind of way. And if you like bell peppers and just regular peppers, cayenne peppers, whatever you like, mushrooms, make it your own dish. Because right now I'm just cooking it and getting those flavors in here. And I'm going to make a broth, some kind of broth that tastes really good to go over some rice. So that's what this is the beginning of. My rice is already ready. All I got to do is get this chicken together. Do something fancy with it. Here's my rice. Now, when I made that apple juice the other day, the pulp from the apples, I made applesauce. This is excellent to go with You can even make apple turnovers and stuff like that with it. It's got cinnamon in it, and it's got all that good stuff, brown sugar. But ideas to do with the use the pulp when you get making your juices. And then next time you see this, it'll be ready. Oh, snap, excuse me. I said the next time you see this, it'll be ready. But came back and made sure my water got some of the seasoning that went on this meat, because I noticed that most of the seasoning hit the meat and then hit the water. So I came back to rectify that. So cover it and turn your flame down on low. This is after 1 hour. I'll let it finish cooking for the second hour. Okay, people, it's been 2 hours. And this is what we have. I'm a filming. Just that easy. The cut. See? And that's all to it. And this gravy or broth is going to be put over some rice. I feel like eating with my fingers, so I'm going to put the broth and pour it and smash it up like the people are doing from India. And that's what it's going to be. And this is Val, this is how you do it. I talk to all you beautiful people in the next video. Bye-bye now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button also. Thank you. Oh.